Listen and read. But Maria is happy. She goes to school every day. She can learn the information because she reads Braille. Braille is a script that uses raised dots. Each letter is made from dots. People move their fingers across the raised dots to read. Maria learned to read Braille as a young child. Her books at school are in Braille. She enjoys reading poems and history. Maria's teacher says she is a good learner. Read section A and choose an appropriate sentence about what the paragraph is talking about. What does the smell of sweet and fresh flower mean? Paragraph 2 is about read the story again. Choose the best answer.
1. Maria cannot see because 2. Maria knows it is a warm day because 3. At school, Maria learns a lot of information by 4. If she goes to university, Maria will probably study.
Fill in the gaps with the words from Story of Maria. Review your answer.
1. Maria can smell the flowers outside her home. 2. Maria has been unable to see since she was born. 3. Maria goes to school every day. 4. Braille is a script that uses raised dots.